Hey y'all, hey. It's Tempest, and today we're going to be talking about how to use your personal credit cards, your revolving trade lines to actually 10x your business credit card limits approval, okay? Let's face it, okay? So you already are in the process of either starting a business and you didn't realize how much money you were going to need. You already have a business with clientele and customer base and you needing money, funding to grow your business, or you're thinking about it and you just don't really know, to go about it. But you do know that you're going to need some money, right? Because it does take money to start a business. I don't care what nobody says. It requires money, okay? So if you're an entrepreneur like me, because I am an entrepreneur, I don't know why I just reiterated that. I just told you. But I am actually the owner of 3 businesses, right? And I actually went on the journey myself in applying for business credit cards, checking lines of credits, loans, and now I teach. I don't say teach. I help my students and my clients do that for their business, right? In our business 680 program. But we're not here to talk about that right now. But I want to tell you what you need to do to make sure that your business is set up, your personal credit. Okay, yeah. I want you to understand that yes, your personal credit does need to come into place when you're trying to apply for business credit cards, business loans, business lines of credit, but you need to have your credit profile set up properly because the underwriters are looking for certain things, and certain elements is what's going to honestly get you the most bang for your buck when it comes to applying for with banks. Okay, it's the underwriters is what they're looking for. It's called data points. They're looking for certain things. Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to set up your personal credit profile to leverage more money for your business. Now, if you already have good personal, you already know that you already have a leg up, right? And you can get approved for business credit lines and business credit cards, right? But again, they're looking for certain elements. Is your credit score up to par? Now, our target credit score for my program is 680. We don't go under 680. We don't go under 680. We don't go under 680 if we're trying to get business funding. 680 or above, okay? But some underwriters will be acceptable to 650, 660. But your target credit score needs to be at least at 680. How much of a risk you are. Obviously, that's there. Nothing negative on your credit report whatsoever. No collections, no late payments within the last 24 months, and no charge-offs. Please, no charge-offs, especially with charge-offs with actual other credit cards. No. Okay? Low utilization is a must. It's a plus. Now, it's different when it comes to business credit cards than personal credit cards, all right? So the rule of thumb is under 30%. But if you're trying to get a business credit card, you can have a utilization as high as 40%, right? But obviously under 10% is best because the less the credit card utilization, the higher your credit scores are because 30% of your credit score is what? Utilization, all right? Now that you have the prerequisite, y'all, I said that word right. I've been practicing. Now that you have the prerequisite of what it's going to take for you to 5x or 10x your business credit card limits or checking lines of credit and possibly even loans, you need to go ahead and take action. You have total control over this, okay? There is nothing and nobody stopping you from being able to obtain $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $60,000, $100,000 in business credit cards, lines of credit, and possibly loans. The only thing that's stopping you is you, okay? But you have to make sure that you understand that there are steps that need to be taken in order to be able to get the actual credit capital that you're looking for so that you can free up cash flow for your business, or you can start your business with the cash flow that you gain from actually obtaining these credit cards and loans and whatnot. All right. Yes, this is going to require your personal credit score.